The Hindu Young World, Forgotten Stalwarts. A look at some of the less-known heroes of India's freedom movement. The Indian independence struggle had many people who fought the colonial British rule. While most of us are familiar with names like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Subhash Chandra Bose, there were others who were equal participants. Let's take a look at some of them. Alluri Sitarama Raju. Through a follower of Gandhiji who encouraged wearing of khadi, Alluri Sitarama Raju did not practice ahimsa. He led guerrilla-style attacks on the British government and is not famous for leading the Rampa Rebellion 192-24 against the 1882 Madras Forest Act. This restricted the local tribal community from accessing the forest for shifting cultivation as the British wanted the timber. Alluri Sitarama Raju organized raids on police stations and killed police officers. He was captured and killed in 1924 and came to be revered as Manyam Birudu or Hero of the Jungle. Lakshmi Saghal, known as Captain Lakshmi. She met members of Subhash Chandra Bose Indian National Army (INA) in Singapore. When she heard that Bose was looking to involve women in the organization, she met him and the result was the running of Jhansi regiment, which Lakshmi went to the head in 1945. She was arrested and imprisoned in Burma. Most independence. Lakshmi, who was also a doctor, continued to work towards several causes. In December 1984, she led a medical team to Bhopal after the gas tragedy. She also worked to restore peace in Kanpur in the wake up of the anti-Sikh riot of 1984. Potti Sriramulu. Gandhi once remarked, "If only I have 11 more followers like Sriramulu, I will win freedom from British rule in a year." Imprisoned for playing an active role in the Salt Satyagraha of 1930, this leader from Andhra participated in the Quit India movement and was imprisoned 3 more times. He worked for the adoption of charkha to spin textiles in Nellore and to support Dalit entry into places of worship. In 1952, he went on a hunger strike to support a separate Andhra Pradesh state. His death sparked riot and led to the Prime Minister announcing the formation of the new state. Thank you, The Hindu. Thank you, Andumedi.